Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn Google SafeSearch on or off on a PC step by step. SafeSearch helps filter explicit content from your Google search results, and you can easily enable or disable it whenever you want. So let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome browser or any web browser on your PC. Next, go to the Google homepage and make sure you're signed in to your Google account if you want the setting to be saved to your account. Now, click on Settings at the bottom right of the Google homepage. From the menu that appears, select Search Settings. On the Search Settings page, you'll see the Safe Search section near the top. To turn Safe Search on, enable the Safe Search toggle. To turn Safe Search off, simply disable the Safe Search toggle. The change is usually saved automatically, but if you see a Save button at the bottom of the page, click it to apply your changes. Now return to Google Search and your Safe Search preference will be in effect. If you can't change the setting because the toggle is locked or grayed out, it may be managed by your parent, school, workplace, or network administrator. And that's it. You've successfully turned Google SafeSearch on or off on your PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google tips and PC tutorials. See you in the next video.